Hey guys, so making a quick video here, hoping to help somebody out because I could not find nothing on the internet about this smell I was getting. So let me get straight to it and not waste your time. This smell was coming from my compartments here where my washer and dryer was supposed to be. So let me zoom out a little bit. So basically, kept getting a really bad smell, couldn't figure it out, looked it up online, looked everywhere. Couldn't find it, so I finally found the issue. So I pulled out the drawers right here. So I figured out the washer and dryer connections in my RV are of course the water was supposed to drain into the gray water tank. So this is the pipe where the water's supposed to drain. Let me zoom in a little bit. So this is the pipe where the water drains from your washer and dryer, or just your washer. So I was getting a really bad smell. So since it connects to your gray tank, no smell was coming out of there. What had happened, somehow there's a lid or a cap that's supposed to go on it. Somehow the lid was on the floor. I don't know how it got there. I don't know why it was this loose, and look, this is really crappy material. I don't know why. The point is, it came loose, and found out where the problem was. So obviously this is supposed to be sealed. This is connected to the gray tank. The smells from the water building up in the and the smells building up in the gray tank is coming out through here, because this is directly into the gray tank. The smell, of course, wants to escape somewhere, and it comes out through here. And there's the solution, guys. All I'm gonna do is apply some silicone in here, because I don't want to permanently seal it with a PVC sealer. I'm just gonna put some silicone just for temporary, just create a temporary seal, but it's gonna be good enough, I believe, to seal it. I'm gonna apply some silicone. Let me show you what I'm gonna do. Got this at Walmart for I think $5 or something. So it's just silicone. Just squeeze it. You don't need the gun. You need a little to buy the big tube. So you just pop the cap, take the tip off, apply some silicone. I'm gonna put it on here. Close the lid. That should get rid of my smells, guys. So that's it. I just wanted to make this video because nobody out there had this video, and I thought it'd be helpful to somebody. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think, and give it a thumbs up.